Have you ever walked out to your garden and noticed your favorite roses look like someone dusted them with flour? Or maybe you've caught a whiff of that distinct, musty smell in your bathroom or basement. That isn't dust, and it's definitely not distinct decor. It's mildew. Specifically, a fungus that thrives in damp environments. While it often starts as a white or gray surface growth, if left unchecked, it can cause serious damage to your plants and even impact your health indoors. Today, we are going to break down exactly what this fungus is, how to spot it before it's too late, and most importantly, how to get rid of it using things you probably already have in your kitchen. What is mildew? The science. Mold versus mildew. So, what are we dealing with? Mildew is a type of fungus. Unlike deeper penetrating molds, mildew usually has a flatter growth habit. Appearance: it starts as a white, gray, or greenish-gray powdery patch. The smell: if you are indoors, your nose might catch it first, that classic, damp basement, musty odor. In the garden, we usually call this powdery mildew. It's not just one single bad guy, it's actually a whole family of fungi, and specific types target specific plants. For example, Erysiphe loves your vegetables, especially legumes and squash. Podosphaera and Spherotheca go after the rose family. Think apples and your prize rose bushes. Libellula targets the Solanaceae family, so keep an eye on your tomatoes and peppers. Symptoms and progression. How do you know if your plant is in trouble? The most obvious sign is that white, talc-like film. It usually starts on the upper side of the leaves, but don't be fooled, it can hide on the undersides, stems, and even flowers. As the disease progresses, that white powder might darken to gray or black. But look closer. Are your leaves turning yellow or brown? Are they curling, twisting, or looking distorted? In severe cases, you might see purple or reddish blotches appear, or the tissue below the infection might turn purple. If it hits your fruit, it can cause the surface to harden and crack. If you don't act, the plant becomes weak, growth stunts, and leaves will drop prematurely. The battle plan: treatment and removal. Step 1. Pruning shears, cutting off infected leaves. Remove infected parts immediately. Prune the leaves and stems to stop the spread. Do not compost these, throw them in the trash. Step 2. Airflow. Mildew loves damp, stagnant air. Trim the lower third of your plant's leaves or space your pots further apart. Let them breathe. Step 3. DIY treatments. You have options here. Let's look at the most effective recipes. The kitchen classic: baking soda. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of liquid soap into 1 gallon of water. This works great as a preventative shield. The potassium punch: if you have potassium bicarbonate, swap the baking soda for 1 tablespoon of this. It's often stronger against active infections. The milk method: yes, really. Mix 1 part milk with 2 to 3 parts water. The proteins in milk interact with the sun to create a natural antiseptic. Neem oil: for a heavier hitter, mix 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of neem oil per gallon of water. This smothers the fungus. Whether it's on your shower wall or your zucchini plants, mildew is a nuisance, but it's manageable if you catch it early. Remember, air circulation and quick treatment are your best friends. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden rescues. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried the milk spray? Did it work for you? Thanks for watching, and keep growing.